directional override. So they all have meanings, but div and span do not have meanings. Now address. Address. Now address, let's say my address is 3 Bronx 42345. I don't know. I'm just typing something. Now let's save it. Let's see how our address looks like. Can you see how our address looks like? Can you see the font of our address? The font of our address is completely different. Look at how this tree looks like. Do you see how this tree looks like? Now I want to do something. I want to show you the difference. Look at how this tree looks like. Where you have this run, I want to type 3 there. I want to see the difference between this 3. Where's run? Emphasis 3. Save it. 3. See it? Can you see? So address 2 gives you this how do you put it now? Formatting. It gives you that formatting, right? That's what address 2 can give you, a formatting. Come on. Okay, but address is block level. It is block level. Okay, it is block level. Don't Address is actually block level. Now let me create this called strong. There's a semantic called strong. Semantic elements. A formatting text is called strong. Let me cut that and put it inside strong, right? Good. So strong. Now let's go right here. See, strong made it what? Bold. Did you notice that? It made it bold. So strong is for making a text bold. Okay? And it carries a semantic value. That's bold text. Good. Now the next one is let me try which one should I try right now? Okay, let me come after this block quote. I try right now. I'm gonna see another one. Okay, there's another one called P. Okay, this is P, right? Good. Now let me see. I say welcome space big. You should know that if we have small, we should have big. Semantics. All right. So this big right now. Let's call it year. Let me save it. Let me go right here. Where's it? Welcome year. Can you see the difference between welcome and year? Can you see the difference? Good. All right. Now let me cut this away. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put B, tab. I'm going to paste it inside the big. I want to show you that strong is actually really the one you should use for semantic purposes, while B carries no semantic value. It's just for bold. Yes, it is bold. It does the same thing as strong, but strong is semantic. B is not semantic. Okay, so let me save it. See, it's going to become bold also, just like this was bold. Strong. Strong is bold. B is bold. But strong is the semantic value of bold. Bold B has no semantic value of any sort. Now look at this. Let me put this here. Space S. This is another formatting element with a semantic value. Strike through. Now strike through works like this. Let me just type in something here. Boss. Save it. Welcome here. So this is welcome here, boss. Okay, let's see it. Welcome. Where's it? Welcome here, boss. See, strike through works like this. Delete. Did you notice that? Delete is del. Boss. Strike through. So if a machine, why semantic values are important is because of machine reading. It's very important so that your machine can read it. For instance, if a machine is reading this and it sees del, what the machine will see is that the machine is going to it will skip you because you've deleted it. In the machine sense, you've deleted it. But here now, welcome here, boss, is going to read it. It's going to read this boss, but it's going to read it as a strike through boss. That means that you have a strike through around it. But del is actually delete. That's why the semantics is important. Del and S does the same thing, but their semantic value meaning is different. Just like where is this? Just like strong and B does the same thing, but the semantic value strong is different from B. B has no semantic value of any sort. Site, remember that site and address has the same look in terms of format of the text, and even with M. Remember M, address, and site, they have the same look. Is that not correct? Good. But they are having different semantic value. EM is different from address, and address is different from site. HTML is so super interesting. Now let's go to another one. Where were we? We're here, right? Good. P, then tab. Let's call this let's say this uh let's create a semantic um formatting element called SAM. Oh, not SAMP. Sorry. SAMP? No, it's SAMP. Sorry, yeah, it's SAMP. Sorry about that. It's SAMP. Let me just write this sample. Yeah, it's SAMP. Sorry, this sample. Save it. Let's go right here. Where is it? This sample. See how sample looks like? Can you see how it looks like? That's the format of this of how it's going to change your text to. So that's how SAMP does. That's what SAMP does. Next one is let's see. Right here, let me just go right here. Let me type in because there's H1. Let me just use H6 tab. Now this H6 right here, let's say I write where right? Just say where, right? Save it. Remember it's going to be small. Where's where? Where? Here, see, H6 is the smallest. H1 is the biggest. Let's try H2. If you see H2 right now, if I click here, hold my control key, click here, hold my control key still, is I can do it for two of them at the same time. Save it. See where is big now. This is H1. This is H2. The one once they are going on, it keeps getting smaller. See H3. See that? Good. It keeps getting smaller. H4 getting smaller. H5 it keeps getting smaller. Then H6. All right. So where? Let's just write where. Okay. Then space. Let me write B space B tab. Remember we've done bold before, right? Good. So now B tab. I just want to show you something again. B tab. When we say bold, where bold. Now let's go right here and then type in I tab. Let's say jump. I like jump and run. Let me save it. Go right here. See where bold jump. Did you notice that jump again changed? Okay, because it is on I. Now there are some elements that have the same look but different approach, different meaning altogether. Emphasis is the same as where were we? I. Italics. I stands for italics. Bold and italics has no semantic value. They have no semantic value. But when a machine reads it, the machine knows this is bold. The machine knows this is italics. But it's better to use EM for emphasis. Now, if a machine reads address has the same format as emphasis and it has the same format as cite. Okay, but it does not mean the same thing. Strong has the same format as bold, but it does not mean the same thing. Okay, guys, good. Now, all these other ones here, these ones are inline level elements. Cool, let's see code. Let me write sample here for code. Let me save it. Let's go right here. Let's go to a browser. Where's code? See sample. See how it jumped. See how it jumped here. You know why it jumped? It's because it's inline level. with audio and video. Audio and video are taking a space. Okay, let me remove audio and video to show you something. Let me remove them, save it. He's right here. Is right here. So don't be deceived by the way it jumped. It jumped because audio and video elements were already occupying their space. That's the power of audio and video. Audio and video will always occupy their space, even without nothing inside. So that's why it jumped to this. So if I remove audio and video, is back. So sample, do you know that code has a formatting? Code is also a formatting. Code has a formatting like, where's that? Like SAMP, is one we just did just now, like SAMP. Did you notice that? Code has the same formatting like SAMP. Yeah, this one, sample. So that's why I use the word sample, sample. See, sample here and then sample here. See how they look like? They look the same thing. So code is also a formatting element. Let me undo, let me bring back the audio and the video. Fit caption, inline. Is it inline now? Okay, let's find out if fit caption is inline. Let's copy this. I just want to find out if it's inline. Let me put it somewhere in somewhere. Let me just write something there from H2O from H2O. Where is it? Where's H2O? H2O from. Okay, yes, it's block level. It's block level. It dropped, so it's block level. Fit caption is block level. Let me undo that. Okay, so fit caption is block level element. Legend is also block level element. Time. Let me find out if time is block level element. We're rounding up now, don't worry. We're rounding up. Okay. Let me put it somewhere here also. 2 raised to power 2 time. Let's write something in our time. Let's say 500. 2 raised to power 2 500. Oh, so time is what? Inline level element. Okay. That font wants to look somehow. Let me type Bronx. It wants to look somehow. Where is it? Okay, it's the same font. Okay, no problem. So time is inline level element. Let me see the last. Okay, var. Let's see how var looks like. Let me copy var. We know that aside and footer are all block level elements. Aside and footer are block level elements. Let me put that here. Paste it inside. Let me type in something here. Let me type in sample. Var. Let's see. Sample. See? var looks like EM and it looks like aside and it looks like site in terms of formatting. So var2 is a formatting element. The formatting element, although at the same time is also semantic, because when a machine is reading var, it's going to tell us, oh, we are reading a variable. Okay, we are reading a variable. So var is inline level element. We saw it there, right? It went to the var. Was it inline? Uh-oh. Sorry, let me come back here. I forgot what I did. H2 sample. I think it was inline, right? Oh yeah, it's inline. Good. So var is inline level element. Okay, sample. Inline level element. Sorry about that. All right, so this is how we are calling it a day. All right, so practice, practice and practice. Figure block level, definitely. So practice and enjoy yourself. Know the difference between block level elements and inline level elements, and know that each element carries a semantic value. Okay, and know that there are some elements that most elements that carry formatting functions are inline level elements. Okay, all right, call it a day. Have fun now. I think now just go and relax. Go and relax. Yes, sip some wine, sip some juice or something. Go and relax. Okay, go and relax. Okay, thank you. Bye.